Welcome back. Veterinarian David Graff is going to be taking your questions today. So if you have any questions, make sure to call in. Now, tell us about, first of all, who you have with us here today.
Our guest today, his name is Abilene. He's from the Cedar Rapids Animal Care and Control. He's a 3-month-old little boy kitty.
He's cute.
He's up for adoption, and he's real happy. He's got happy feet.
And he's got some claws, too, as I understand
he does.
it. So we got to be careful with him. Now, you wanted to talk about today, and I've had this problem at my household. I have 2 German Shepherds, and they are itching like crazy.
Yeah.
They're kicking themselves all over the place. They're chewing on themselves. What's the deal with that?
Well, there's many things that can cause your dog to scratch, but this time of year, the 2 biggest ones that we concern ourselves with are fleas, because it's getting to be cool out, and when it gets cool out, fleas look for any warm body to hop on. So if you've got an outdoor pet, there's a possibility of fleas, so flea control is important. And then the other big thing this time of year is allergic skin disease, also called atopic dermatitis. And this results in a red skinned dog who's itchy all over. And there's several ways to treat this. You can get injections that reverse the allergy. You can get oral medicines like antihistamines, corticosteroids, and a new medicine called Apoquel that works very well. So if your dog is miserable and staying up at night or keeping you up at night, go see your veterinarian, because there's relief that's possible.
We do get woken up in the night by this noise all the time, and it's like a constant thing. So are there any sort of I don't know if are there any shampoos out there or anything like that that would help with this sort of thing?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Topicals are available. Some of the major ones are not available right now, unfortunately, but colloidal oatmeals, shampoos that you can get from your veterinarian. There are actually topicals that have antihistamines and corticosteroids in them. And then there's one that has a topical anesthetic agent in it. And these all help.
All right. Real quick, let's go to Dixie. She's on the line. She has a question about her dog. Dixie?
We have a Walker Coon dog, and he seems to have a really difficult time going to the bathroom.
Urinating or defecating?
Defecating.
Okay. Is he an older dog?
No, I'd say he's maybe 3 or 4 years old now.
Okay. Has he been neutered?
No.
Okay. Well, he may have an enlarged prostate. You should have that checked out. An enlarged prostate can make it difficult to have a bowel movement. So that's something you should have checked. But thanks for calling.
Yeah, and is that a normal thing for older animals, older pets?
Well, older pets like older animals of all types can get constipated. And higher dietary fiber is good. Extra exercise is good. Not being overweight is good. But a dog with that hasn't been neutered, one of the things you think about is the possibility of an enlarged prostate.
And you said this time of year is really bad for fleas. I mean, this is kind of the time when the fleas and the ticks can kind of start coming out. Real quick here, because we're running out of time. I mean, what can people do to keep those to keep the critters off of them?
Well, the best is probably the topical. There's several topicals that you apply once a month to the skin, and those probably work the best.
Frontline, things like
for
that.
Instance.
Gotcha. All right. Very good. Well, thank you, Dr. Graff, for joining us this morning.
Happy to be here.
Coming up tomorrow, our financial expert's going to be talking about life insurance. Stay with us on your 24-hour news source, KCRG-TV 9.